Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Su marido dice ya no sé qué hacer con ella. Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Todos la conocen con el... Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Todos la conocen con el apodo de Chona. Su marido dice ya no sé qué hacer con ella. Diario va.
Ando con los diablos y no son los de Lloren. Antes que llore más que las de yo lloren. Sigo viajando el mundo y tú sentado en el content, criticando lo que hago porque estoy en el top 10. Yo juego baloncesto.
Get ready to move out. I know how you shoot it. You know what I do? I shoot it, but then I stop. Look at Lukaku. Lukaku. Oh my. AB solo que lucha. Lucha solo. Toma, güey.
Just wrote, Ravon didn't text you? I gave him your number. He said that the kids think
No, I know. Why are they going at me? Wait, should I bring it back? Do I bring it back?
I think it's gonna be like a Christmas story, but then also kind of there's gonna be songs and stuff like that. Or maybe just like an intermission. Yeah, I don't know. That place was closed when we moved here. Disney 21. far because we're gonna head out. Mom's gonna pick us up and
Thermal Flashes 4, Carthage Real Warriors 2. I'm here with
Angel Avila.
How was the game?
Good team win. 4-2 dub on our first league game, so gotta keep it going for me.
How does it feel having 3 goals?
Been waiting for this, so very happy about it.
Anything else?
That's it, Sergio. Thanks.
Thank you. I'm here with
Hector Hernandez.
How was the game?
We struggled a lot, but still we had 3 games.
What are your thoughts on Avila having 3 goals?
I mean, it was good for the team that he scored all 3. There were mistakes from the other team that we took advantage of.
Anything else you want to say?
We're going for CIS. Subscribe for Fortnite 200.